Vyminal here, back at it again with another video. I just arrived in Taipei Game Show 2019, starting event coverage with a bang here. After I got settled in, I just had to run this ROG booth here on the main show floor because they had so much awesome tech on display. Seeing all the new gear I could get my hands on, suffice to say the booth's festivities was a sensory overload with an event happening on their own mini stage, while gamers queued up trying the latest ROG gaming gear. Amidst all the glitz and glamour of shiny new laptops, RGB components, and insanely modified gaming rigs, my gaze was set on a particular set of peripherals. None other than the pink line of colored gaming peripherals which Republic of Gamers announced back in Las Vegas CES. Right off the bat, you'll notice that this eye-catching line of peripherals look completely different from the red and black gray aesthetic ROG is known for. Let's take a closer look at the ROG Strix Flare keyboard. Predominantly pink, the media controls on top of the portion of the board are left gray, including the rubberized volume wheel. An interesting decorative feature is the customizable acrylic insert that comes with the ROG logo. This is great attention to detail that speaks a lot about the first-class ROG treatment. The rest of the keys blend in tastefully with the color theme of the keyboard's body. Under the hood, the Strix Flare rocks top-notch hardware you'd expect, with per-key RGB lighting that is capable of a wide array of effects. The Strix Flare is available in various switch types, and the special pink limited edition comes in Cherry MX Red, Brown, or Blue switches. Moving on to the ROG Gladius 2 Orange and Pink LTD mouse, it follows the aesthetic of the Flare. Ancient Mayan-inspired etchings on the sides and scroll wheel give it that distinct ROG look. The cable is also detachable, and the ROG logo on the back shines in bright white, which completely supports Aura Sync, by the way, in case you're in the mood for some RGB. The Aura Sync zones of the mouse light up the scroll wheel and the underside of the mouse, giving that subtle underglow effect. The Gladius 2 Orange and Pink is based on the same Pixar 3360 optical sensor as the original version, and is capable of reaching 12,000 dpi. It features a dedicated DPI switch to transition between game genres as well. Underneath the pink primary buttons are Omron switches, which are rated for 50 million clicks. The third product getting the pink limited treatment is the ROG Strix Fusion 300, which has a fully adjustable retractable microphone that blends into the frame of the right ear cup. The red accent lighting of the original Fusion 300 has been replaced with a bright white light which matches the overall theme. Under the hood, the Fusion 300 rocks 50mm Essence drivers and 7.1 virtual surround sound support. The pink limited line wouldn't be complete without the special edition ROG Sheet. The large, reimagined version of the original desk mat features a tightly woven fabric on top of a non-slip rubber underbelly that stays in place during intense gaming sessions. It still has the same 35-inch by 17-inch size as the original edition. If you want to get your hands on this, you sadly have to wait until March 2019 until it releases in stores. Other than the pink limited line of peripherals, the ROG RGB backpack named ROG Ranger BP3703 really caught my eye. Powered discreetly by a power bank, the water-repellent lit backpack drew attention from many onlookers. The rather large backpack is sure to fit the largest of laptops and then some, as it has a max capacity of 20L. The RGB lighting was bright and vibrant and really stood out despite the bright lights of the show floor. The lighting on the Ranger automatically dials up or dims down depending on your environment, but users can still take full control at all times. You can save up to 7 different lighting profiles with different colors and patterns. A remote built into the shoulder strap allows for on-the-fly adjustments, including the ability to turn the lights off, of course. While an RGB backpack may seem silly at first, the Ranger offers practical functionality in the form of interior backpack lighting so you can easily look for small items in the dark. The booth had a wide array of ASUS ROG merch as well, the latest gaming laptops, high-end monitors equipped with the awesome bezel-free multi-monitor kit, and their brand new gaming chair complete with insane tricked-out rigs. Stay tuned for more Taipei Game Show 2019 coverage. Thanks for watching, this has been Vyminal, and I'll catch you next time.